World of motivation.
Hello everyone. Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle of bad habits that are difficult to stop? Have you ever felt that these habits are hindering your best steps and potential? Today, we will dive into the topic changing your mindset, how to break bad habits. A theme that aims to dig deeper into how we can free ourselves from the shackles of negative habits and move towards a better quality life. Recognize your bad habits. Acknowledging and recognizing bad habits is the first step towards change. Sometimes we do things automatically without really understanding why we do it. This is the impact of the routine that we have been living for a long time. However, with a little attention, we can see more clearly what is really happening. When you start to feel that something is disturbing your routine, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself how you really feel after doing this habit. Does it make you feel satisfied, stressed, sad, or even empty? After that, write down these habits. Writing it down will help you to see clearly what is happening and how it is impacting your life. That way, you will be more aware and have a strong reason to stop it. Apart from that, discuss it with the people closest to you. They might see things you might miss. Getting the perspective of others can shed light on how these bad habits affect your life and your relationships with others. With these simple steps, you have taken a step forward towards better change. Recognize, reflect, write, and discuss. This recognition process will open the eyes of your heart to start changing. Understand the reasons behind these habits. Behind every action we take, there is always an underlying reason or driver. Breaking bad habits isn't just about stopping doing them, but also understanding what drives us to do them in the first place. When we recognize a bad habit, the next step is to ask why. Why do we continue to do things that we know are detrimental? Is it a form of escape from something, or in response to certain emotions? Some common reasons behind bad habits include search for comfort. Many bad habits, such as overeating or smoking, are often used as a form of escape from stress or negative emotions. Fear. Sometimes, we postpone or avoid things because we are afraid of failure or rejection. Environmental influence. Sometimes, bad habits arise because we are in an environment that supports or even encourages these habits. However, the most profound reasons are often personal and unique to each individual. To truly understand your reasons, take time to reflect and evaluate yourself. If necessary, talk to a counselor or therapist who can help dig deeper into your personal reasons. By understanding the reasons behind bad habits, we not only gain insight into ourselves, but also gain the key to unlocking the door to change. With this knowledge, we can design more appropriate and effective strategies to replace bad habits with more positive and healthy behaviors. Replace with good habits. Breaking bad habits is not a process that ends with simply eliminating them from our lives. In fact, true success in overcoming bad habits is often found in what we do to replace them. Good habits are the key to filling the space left by bad habits. First, choose good habits that suit your life goals and values. For example, if you are trying to quit smoking, perhaps you could start an exercise routine. Exercise will not only help distract you from the urge to smoke, but will also improve your health and quality of life. Next, make a plan. Whenever you feel tempted to return to your old habits, remember the good habits you want to develop. It may be difficult at first, but with commitment and patience, these new good habits will become part of your routine. Remember to give yourself praise every time you choose a good habit over a bad one. Change takes time, And every small step toward healthier habits is a victory worth celebrating. By replacing bad habits with good habits, you not only abandon harmful behavior, but also develop yourself into the best version of yourself. With every healthy choice you make, you take control of your life and live a life full of meaning and purpose. Supportive environment. The environment plays an important role in determining whether we stay true to our commitment to replace bad habits with better ones. A supportive environment will be the main driver of our success, while an unsupportive environment can be the biggest obstacle. We are all influenced by the people around us, whether they are friends, family, or co-workers. Therefore, being surrounded by individuals who understand and support our struggle for change is essential. They can encourage us when we feel weak, give advice when we are confused, and celebrate our every achievement. But it's not just the people around us that matter. Our physical environment also influences our habits. If you want to stop snacking on junk food, for example, make sure your house is free of them and replace them with healthy snacks. If you want to exercise more often, create a small corner in your house to exercise or make sure you have access to a gym near you. A supportive environment can also mean looking for communities or groups that have the same goals and aspirations. Being in such a group can give you the opportunity to learn from other people's experiences, gain additional motivation, and feel less alone in your struggles. Remember, change is always easier to make when we have strong support from our environment. So, make wise choices about who and what you let into your life, because that will be the foundation of the transformation you desire. Set goals and rewards. A journey without a destination will make us easily lost. In an effort to replace bad habits with good ones, setting clear and specific goals is important. Goals give us guidance and motivation to keep going, while rewards give us something to look forward to. Start by determining what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, your short-term goal might be to cut back to 1 cigarette per day for a week. Meanwhile, the long-term goal could be to completely stop smoking in 6 months. With a clear goal in mind, you will be more focused and motivated to commit to change. Whenever you feel tempted to return to your old habits, remember your goals and what you are trying to achieve. Next, don't forget to reward yourself every time you achieve one of your goals. These rewards don't have to be big or extravagant. The most important thing is something that makes you feel appreciated and motivated to keep moving forward. It could be dinner at your favorite restaurant, a holiday, or even something as simple as watching your favorite movie. With a combination of clear goals and attractive rewards, you'll find the extra push you need to break away from bad habits and embrace new habits that are healthier and more beneficial to your life. Don't be too hard on yourself. On the journey of replacing bad habits with better ones, there will be times when we experience setbacks. This is a natural part of the learning and growing process. What matters most is not the mistakes we make, but how we respond to them. A series of failures does not erase all the progress we have made. Everyone, without exception, experiences obstacles on their way. As humans, we are not perfect. So, when you feel like you're falling or falling back into old habits, remember not to be too hard on yourself. Take a deep breath, admit your mistake, and understand what caused you to return to the habit. With this understanding, you can better prepare yourself in the future and avoid the same pitfalls. Also, give yourself permission to feel sad or disappointed, but don't let those feelings hold you back for too long. Use mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow, not as reasons to give up. It is also important to remember all the achievements and progress you have made. Focus on the overall journey, not just one mistake or setback. With a positive and forgiving view of yourself, you will find the strength to get up and continue your journey towards a better life. Changing yourself and giving up bad habits is not an easy task. This requires courage, determination, and strong commitment. But, as we explored together, with the right approach and the right support, any bad habit, no matter how stubborn, can be overcome. Don't let the fear of mistakes or imperfection hold you back. Every step you take, even a small step, is a victory. Appreciate this process, because in every challenge and obstacle, there is a valuable lesson. Remember that you are not alone in this struggle. There are many people who have gone through a similar journey and succeeded. Look to them for inspiration, set your goals, and know when to seek support. You have the power to be the master of your own life, to replace bad habits with habits that move you toward your best vision. So, take the next step with confidence and hope, because a bright future awaits you.